Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today I will tell you how we can insert icon in Microsoft Word. We can also insert some pictures which are already available in Microsoft Word library. Now I will tell you how we can do this. First of all, open Microsoft Word. Friends, after opening Microsoft Word, go to Insert menu and under Insert menu, click on Icon, Insert an icon. Friends, when we click on icon, then we see different types of icon available here. As you see, these are a library for different types of icon like clock, and see we will insert some other icon. Like system and vehicle and Apple. We have inserted these type of icon. Now we will click add some more categories. I will tell you about something about this. Friends, if you want to insert images, then there are different types of images are available in its library. You can insert from these images and then cut out people, means you can insert people already available here. Like you can also insert stickers. Okay, and then illustration, you can insert different type of items like laptop. You can also see here different categories like food, education, creativity, wedding, party and fun, and different types of things. And next, cartoon. You can also add cartoon. Friends, these are the library available, and we will click on insert. We can also resize these pictures, these icons like this, and same we can also resize this. Friends, this is all about how we can insert icon. We can insert different types of cartoons and other things in Microsoft Word available in its library, so you can download and insert these pictures which we do not create itself. Friends, this is the topic for today. If you are facing any issue, you can write me in comments. Thanks.